I've got the recipe for the best strawberry cake, and it did not come from a box. It starts the old-fashioned way with creaming some butter and sugar. In addition to the butter and sugar though, we've got to go in with strawberry jello. This is the secret ingredient that's in a lot of from-scratch strawberry cakes. You don't want to rush this step. It'll take about 5 minutes or so. This is what you want. Nice, light, and fluffy. Now we'll add our eggs in one at a time. Now just whisk together our flour with baking powder. Give that a whisk. Now I'm going to incorporate these dry ingredients with milk, alternating and ending with the flour. And the final ingredients, some strawberry puree and vanilla. Looks great, smells amazing. This is going to go into 3 9-inch round cake pans. We're going 3 layers on our cake. If you don't have 3 pans, do 2 layers. It'll be okay. I have greased and floured these baking pans so they'll come out nice and easily. These go in 350 degrees for about 25 minutes or until that toothpick comes out clean. We've made our cake from scratch, so you've got to do the frosting the same way. So I'm gonna start by cutting up about a cup of fresh strawberries. I'm gonna puree them in a blender. That's gonna create just a fresh strawberry syrup to make our frosting. Now I'm gonna add it to a saucepan. Just gonna bring this up to a boil and let it reduce by at least half. So it's gonna take about 20 minutes, but well worth it. The strawberry puree has reduced and cooled, and this is what you're left with. It's thick, beautiful red color, and it smells amazing. So for the frosting, it's just a simple buttercream. We've got 2 sticks of butter, room temp softened butter. 3½ cups of powdered sugar, which I have sifted. After the first cup of powdered sugar, I'm gonna start incorporating my strawberry puree, and then a little vanilla. Puree, the sugar, the puree, the sugar. Let's bring it all together, shall we? That's good. Before you ice your cake, you need your layers to be cool, if not cold. A great tip is to make them a day ahead and even refrigerate them. It just makes your icing a lot easier. I like to turn my cakes upside down so you have the nice flat surface. You're gonna go in with about 3/4 of a cup of frosting in between each layer. Now you can remove the little wax paper sides and your cake plate will be nice and clean. And we'll garnish with a few little strawberries on top. Now to get the prettiest slice, I'm going in backwards. Not your typical way to cut a cake. And if you follow Allrecipes on TikTok, you would have already learned this. How cute is that? This cake just makes you happy. I love seeing the little flecks of strawberry throughout because it tells you this cake did not come from a box. I can taste the juiciness from the strawberries. The cake is moist, the frosting's amazing. From scratch, I don't think I could ever make a strawberry cake out of a box again. And who knew? I just accidentally made my daughter's birthday cake.